The electric wheelchair for adults, featuring a lightweight folding design and equipped with dual motors totaling 700 watts, presents a thoughtful solution for those seeking mobility assistance. This chair is engineered to provide users with a blend of practicality and ease of use, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor navigation. One of the standout features of this wheelchair is its lightweight construction. Weighing significantly less than traditional wheelchairs, it promotes portability and convenience, enabling users to transport it with relative ease. The folding design is particularly beneficial, as it allows for compact storage when not in use, whether you are placing it in a car trunk or a small apartment. The dual motors, each rated at 350 watts, enhance the wheelchair's performance, providing robust support for various terrains. This feature allows the user to maneuver through different surfaces, including grass and uneven pathways, with greater ease compared to single-motor alternatives. The thoughtful engineering ensures that power delivery is both responsive and steady, catering to the diverse needs of users. In terms of usability, the wheelchair is designed with comfort in mind. It features a cushioned seat and backrest, which can help minimize fatigue during extended periods of use. The armrests are adjustable, allowing for a more customized fit that can accommodate a range of body types and preferences. Furthermore, the intuitive control system is user-friendly, enabling individuals to navigate their surroundings without extensive training. Safety is also a prominent aspect of this electric wheelchair. It is equipped with anti-tip wheels, ensuring stability during movement and reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, the braking system is designed to be reliable, providing users with confidence when coming to a stop. In summary, the electric wheelchair for adults combines lightweight materials with powerful dual motors, offering a practical and user-friendly mobility solution. With careful attention to comfort and safety, it addresses the needs of those who require assistance in navigating their environments. This wheelchair stands as a commendable option for individuals seeking enhanced mobility, without compromising on ease of use or transportability.